Look, this opportunity could completely change your life if you use it the right way. I know you're struggling with views, with low CTR and low watch time. You struggle with growth. You struggle every time you upload a video, staring at the analytics with frustration, hoping it finally works. But it disappoints you every single time. The problem isn't YouTube, it's not the algorithm, it's not the audience, and it's not you either. The problem is the strategy, the system. In this community, I will show you the most powerful system you can ever hear for succeeding on YouTube and breaking the bottleneck you're stuck in. The scientific way to succeed on YouTube. Not just general advice, but precise strategies you actually apply to see results. This method is used by almost every successful channel. I've made thousands of dollars from YouTube. I've experienced virality, and I know its power when you choose the right niche. I have a video that got 86,000 views and made me around $3,000 from all YouTube income sources. Now imagine if it was 800,000. That would be $30,000. That's not small at all. YouTube can literally change your life if you pick the right, profitable niche. That's why in this community, I will give you the full system step by step so you understand everything, from the basics to virality, in the YouTube game course. It includes 30 videos teaching you everything you need. You'll also find the 100-day challenge to build a successful faceless channel. Plus, you'll get over 50 ready-to-use prompts and over 50 ready-to-use templates, including high CTR thumbnail templates that you can easily customize in Canva however you want. You'll also get access to plus 1,000 viral faceless YouTube niches. And most importantly, you'll be in a community of creators who share the same goal. You won't be alone trying in the fog. Also bonus, there will be powerful rewards. If you reach level 2, you get a gift. Reach level 4, you get a bigger one. Reach level 7, you get the strongest one yet. And if you reach level 9, you'll be nominated to become a community moderator. Bonus, every week, the top 3 most active members in the community will get a channel review. The review will be deep, analyzing your channel and telling you exactly what to fix and how to improve it. Bonus, the magic book will be included. It's a paid product, but I'll make it free as a bonus inside this community. Alright, the price is $49 per month and there's a premium yearly plan for $349. You save more than 40% if you go yearly, which means about 5 months free. You'll also get additional features inside. But the most important thing you need to know, the price won't stay like this forever. It will be higher soon. So join now, build your successful faceless channel, and take the opportunity. See you inside.